Your first step to hosting a great virtual meeting is to plan. Think about your audience. Is it a one-on-one meeting or will it be a group of participants? Depending on your need for backgrounds, session recording, length of meeting, and registration, there are several options to choose from to host your virtual meeting. The most popular meeting software choices are Zoom and GoToMeeting. There are free accounts with basic access. However, if you want to host longer sessions or create a dedicated registration page, both choices have several levels of paid accounts that allow for these options.
Once you're comfortable running meetings through Zoom, why don't we kick it up a notch? Have you considered using Zoom to host educational workshops and socially distant seminars? Through Zoom Pro, you can create event registration pages that look polished and professional. Create your meeting like usual, but be sure to choose the registration required button. Now you can invite people to join your meeting and you can collect information up front. First name and email is always required, but what else would you like to know? City and state, phone number? Let's make this one required. You can also create custom questions to gather more information like, how did you hear about this seminar? Or how many years until retirement do you have? You can upload your logo and a banner image to further customize your link. Here you go, your registration page is ready. You can now promote your event link through social media and email.
When it's time for your meeting, conduct a trial run with a friend to get comfortable. You may have multiple cameras and audio options. Test each one to see which gives the best quality. Prepare your workspace. Make sure you prepare enough lighting, close the door to any outside sounds, and let others in your home know you're having a meeting to prevent any distractions. Check your internet connection and close extra tabs that may affect your video conference. Choose a background. If you choose an original background, it should be appropriate for business. With a virtual background, you can include a company logo or choose from unlimited background options. When you're ready to present, if your meeting needs to be documented, make sure to turn on recording at the start of your meeting. Have an outline of what you're going to review in your meeting and share it on the screen so others know what to expect. If you have time, share your screen with pictures, graphics, or videos to keep people's attention. After the meeting, follow up with resources, notes, or other new information discussed in the meeting.
Consistent and valuable follow-up is crucial after a webinar when working to convert your attendees. Some helpful tips for follow-up are to pull an attendees report from your meeting so you can customize your message to that audience. Send a thank you email with the recording or any additional resources to those who attended within the following 24 hours. Send a sorry we missed you email to those who registered but did not attend with the same recording and additional resources. If you're having trouble converting, a great marketer will take it one step further and send out a survey to their attendees. This can help to answer some of your questions and give you actionable items to improve upon when hosting your next webinar.
There are several Zoom blunders to avoid, but today I'll just be highlighting a few of the don'ts. Number 1, don't forget to mute and unmute yourself when necessary. Don't go in without practicing if you're hosting a webinar. Also, don't have a distracting and noisy environment or a busy background. All of this will help you be confident, competent, and professional.
We hope you enjoyed these tips to host a great virtual meeting. Contact your marketing director for more information.